This channel is for education purpose only. All videos, presentations, and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk and after consulting your financial advisor.
Imagine waking up every morning to see your portfolio up, not because you studied charts all night, but because a machine did it for you. That's not a sci-fi fantasy anymore. It's 2025, and AI is officially eating Wall Street. Imagine making money in the stock market while you're asleep, traveling, or even working your 9 to 5. No charts, no stress, no second guessing. This isn't just some marketing fantasy. This is the real deal, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. We're living in a time when the machines are taking over the market and outperforming human experts at their own game. So if you've ever felt like stock trading is too complicated, too risky, or just not for you, this video will change everything. Because today, you're going to learn how AI is flipping the script, and how beginners, yes, even with zero experience, are using it to generate consistent income from the markets. Let's start with this: how AI is changing the stock market. Just a few years ago, trading was a game of instincts, emotions, and guesswork. A news headline could tank a stock, a rumor could send it flying, and unless you were glued to a dozen screens, you'd miss the move. Today, the stock market is being reshaped by data, and AI is the architect. AI doesn't make decisions based on gut feelings. It's cold, calculated, and frighteningly efficient. It processes millions of data points, from real-time price action and volume indicators to earnings reports, market sentiment, and even tweets from Elon Musk, all in a fraction of a second. Let's break down what this means. One AI thinks faster than any human trader, might analyze a few charts, maybe skim some financial news, and then make a decision. AI, on the other hand, runs thousands of simulations in real time, backtests them instantly, and delivers the highest probability trade setups, all before the market even opens. It's like having a team of elite Wall Street analysts, on steroids, and available 24/7. Two, it spots patterns. Humans are emotional. AI is mathematical. That's why it's so good at recognizing patterns that we miss. Maybe it sees that tech stocks tend to surge on Wednesdays after specific macroeconomic reports. Maybe it identifies a correlation between oil prices and airline stocks 9 days in advance. Whatever it is, you won't see it, but AI does, and it acts on it instantly. 3. It levels the playing field. For decades, powerful trading algorithms were locked behind billion-dollar hedge funds and proprietary firms. But now, anyone with a laptop and a few $100 can access these tools. And that's the game changer. It's no longer about who has the most experience. It's about who's using the smartest tools. Now, before you run off and throw money into the next shiny AI app, let's talk about the ones that actually work. The best AI trading bots for beginners. These aren't just any bots. These are beginner-friendly tools designed to help you automate your trades, reduce risk, and maximize returns without having to become a Wall Street wizard. Let's dive in. Trade Ideas. Your personal AI day trader Trade Ideas is often referred to as the Tesla of trading software, and for good reason. It comes loaded with a built-in AI named Holly. Yes, she even has a name. And Holly is like having a trading coach who already knows the best place before the bell rings. Each morning, Holly runs 1 million-plus trading simulations, scanning every U.S. stock to identify the best setups based on historical data, technical patterns, and market momentum. Why it's great for beginners. You get clearly labeled buy or short alerts with reasoning, entry, just exit points, and risk assessments. You don't need to interpret charts. Holly does the thinking, you just follow the plan. Tickeron. AI-powered, but teaches you. As you go, Tickeron is one of the most intuitive AI platforms for newer traders. It gives you pattern predictions along with a confidence score. Think of it as an AI-powered weather forecast for stocks. What's different here? It not only shows you what's likely to happen, but gives you probability stats based on historical accuracy. For instance, if the AI sees a head and shoulders pattern with a 78% success rate in the last 100 trades, it lets you know. Why this matters? It helps you make smarter decisions while learning the logic behind the trade. You're not just blindly copying signals, you're gaining insight. TrendSpider, charting on autopilot. If you love technical analysis but hate the time it takes, TrendSpider is for you. It uses AI to draw support resistance zones, Fibonacci levels, trend lines, and candlestick patterns automatically. No more second guessing if a breakout is legit. No more messy charts. It even lets you backtest your strategies with a few clicks. Bonus, set alerts for when price enters your buy zone or when RSI crosses a threshold. It's like setting traps in the market and letting the AI catch the prey. Stoic by Syndicator, fully hands-free trading. This is for the lazy geniuses out there. With Stoic, you just connect your crypto exchange, like Binance or Kraken, fund your account, and that's it. Stoic uses hedge fund grade quant strategies to build and manage your crypto portfolio 24/7. Why it's unique? There's zero work after setup. The AI handles rebalancing, asset allocation, and risk management. And the best part? The longer it runs, the better it gets. Learning your goals and optimizing based on real-time performance. Risk management strategies for AI trading. Now let's get real. AI doesn't mean zero risk. It means smart risk. Even the best bots make losing trades. That's why a solid risk management strategy is non-negotiable. Here's what every smart AI trader does. Checkmark 1. Diversify strategies. Don't rely on a single trading style. Use one bot for trend following, another for earnings plays, and maybe one for crypto swings. This spreads risk and stabilizes returns. 2. Set daily loss limits. Almost every AI platform allows this. It's like telling your bot, if we lose more than 2% today, stop trading. This one rule alone can protect you from massive drawdowns during market chaos. 3. Keep leverage low tempting. As it is to double your bet, don't over-leverage. AI isn't a genie, it's a system. Use conservative sizing until your strategy is consistently profitable over time. 4. Use stop losses and trailing stops. Even AI needs boundaries. Stop losses protect your capital. Trailing stops help lock in profits as the market moves in your favor, without exiting too early. 5. Avoid emotional override. Here's the paradox. The only time most AI bots fail is when humans interfere. Trust the data. Let it run. Stick to the rules. And most importantly, don't panic trade. How AI traders are making six-figure effortlessly. You might be wondering, does this actually work? Let's talk real results. A 24-year-old from Texas turned $3,000 into over $90,000 in 12 months using an AI swing trading bot that ran during market hours while he worked at a coffee shop. A retired engineer in Germany now makes over $8,000 per month in passive income by letting Stoic manage his crypto portfolio. He hasn't made a manual trade in over a year. One user of Trade Ideas with no finance background uses Holly's signals for day trading and made $28,000 in his first quarter. These aren't lottery wins. These are data-driven, automated systems, doing the work consistently. What they all have in common? They trusted the tech, they learned the basics, they stayed disciplined. And the best part? The system only gets smarter over time. Final take. This is your moment. AI isn't the future of trading, it's the present. And the people who are using it today, not next year, not someday, are the ones stacking real gains without burnout or guesswork. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be glued to screens. You just need the right tools and a willingness to start. So here's your move. Pick an AI trading bot that fits your style. Start small, test, learn, and adapt. Let the system grow while you keep your time and sanity. This is how real, scalable AI-powered income is built. And if you want more detailed breakdowns of the best tools, strategies, and AI systems for hands-free wealth, make sure to subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters right now. We drop new videos every week that decode passive income systems using cutting-edge AI so you can grow smarter, not harder. Your journey to effortless algorithm-powered wealth starts today. Let's build.